In this video, I am going to tell you how you can get an email address for free. This is going to be a temporary email for you. You can use it anywhere for verification purpose or any purpose you want to use. Simply, you have to write the website name. Website name is temp mail. You are going to press enter. Now here you can see the name temp mail disposable temporary email. You have to click on this link. After clicking on this link, you are going to see your temporary email address here. What you have to do, you have to click here and your address will be copied. I have clicked here and you have to go here. Now you are going to see your all email addresses here. If you are going to receive an email address, that will show here. Let's make a practical. I'm going to here and I'm going to send an email address on this email. Let's uncompose email and come here again and copy the email address. We have copied it. I'm going to paste here and I'm going to just write a rough subject, hello, how are you. I'm going to send it. I have sent the email. Now we will come here and make it refresh. We will come here. As you can see, we have received an email address and now you can believe that it is a true website and it is going to be very useful for you. So now you can use it anywhere you want. See you in the next video.